one example, similar one, like converting a grammar to an equivalent grammar, which would be in GNF. So let me take grammar. So suppose okay, so this is the grammar given to you, and you have to convert this to equivalent GNF. Now, if you see the grammar is not in CNF, so first step is rather to convert this to CNF. Okay, because right now there is no epsilon transition, so ultimately even there is no unit production, so we can move further. Okay, so let us first try to take example one by one, so that we can convert a production one by one, so that we can convert it. So I will directly try to write the translation in CNF. So CA C1, C1 gives CB C2, C2 gives C C3, C3 gives CD A. Correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So CA, rest of the thing I talked about, said C1. Now C1 first element would be CB. Now rest thing would be C2. So C2 starts with C, C3, and C3 gives CDA. Right. So we converted this S production to this. Similarly, let us talk about A productions. A productions, CA, C4. C4 gives B, CA. A gives A, B gives A, C gives CAS, C gives D. Okay, then CA gives A, CB gives B, and CD gives D. Can you see whether is this correct or not? See what I did, I directly converted that grammar to CNF. So as I don't have any unit productions and null productions, I can directly convert each terminal to a variable CA, CB, CD. So similarly, I introduced C1, C2. So I took CA, rest thing I took C1. C1, it starts with B, so CB, then C2. C2 is CDA, so capital C kept as it is. So I added C3, and C3 gives CDA. So this is how this production will lead to these new 4 productions. For A now, CA, I am introducing C4, and C4 is BCA. So that's what. So A gives A would be the production, B gives A would be the production. Now C gives CAS, and C gives D. CA gives A, CB gives D, CD gives D. Correct. So these are the productions that we got into CNF. So this is our CNF. Right. Now we have to convert to GNF. So as we have already converted that given grammar to equivalent CNF, so let us write the variables S, A, B, C, C1, C2, C3, C4, CA, CB, and CD. Are you with me in this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what are the variables that we wrote? We wrote them in order. So I started with start variable. Then I wrote A, B, then C, then C1, C2, C3, C4, because they are the ones which are used, and then CA, CB, CD. So rename them A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, and A11. Is that fine? Okay. Now you have to rewrite these productions. So let us rewrite them. So A1 gives. Now tell me, Chinmay, tell me yes production. That means A1 production.
So A1 will give CA and CA is A9. So A1 gives A9 and A5.
Very good. Okay, give me A5 as well. That means C1.
So that is A10, A6.
Very good. Manisha, A6. That means C2. You have to tell me this one. Manisha, C2 gives C3.
A7.
A6 gives.
A7.
It is
C3.
C3, na?
Hmm.
So what it would be first? C is what? C is A4, correct?
A4.
A4 and C3, A7. Fine. Okay. Aishwarya, tell me A7, that means C3. Nevedya, tell me A7.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
A7 is
You means I mean you need to tell C3. A7.
A11, A. A11,
A11,
A, A2.
A11, A2. Very good. Okay. Now give me for A2.
A2 is A9, A8.
Siddhi, C4, that means A8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's A3,
Hmm?
A9.
A3, A9. Okay. Yeah. Give me A, gives A and B gives A. Siddhi.
So A2 gives A and A3 gives A.
Rutuja, A4.
Yes, sir. A4 gives A9 and A1. And A9, A1.
A4 gives
And A4 gives D.
okay. Now rest tell me three ones which are remaining.
A9 gives A, A10 gives B, and A11 gives D.
Okay. Now if you see this is GNF, correct? These all are in GNF. Fine. Now we have to pick one by one. Which production is there which is having left side to be higher than right side? Do you see any one of them?
A6,
Hmm?
A6,
A6 gives A4, correct? Rest of them are in required form because if you have A1, A2, then you don't talk about. Na? So this one is lesser than this, so you don't consider these three. Then even these two. Now this is the only production which has this A4, A7, correct? A6 and A4. So let us take that one. So A6 gives A4, A7. What is A4? How many values are there for A4?
Two values.
Two values. Which are they? A9, A1 and D. Correct? So this A6 would be written as, so I will write this as 1. A6 is written as what? A4, A7. So A4 is A9, A1, A9, A1, A7, and A6 gives A7. Is that fine?
Sir, instead of A6, can I choose A8? It is possible.
Yeah, like okay, you can choose either of them, right? But in this case, if you see, okay, you choose either of them. So if I go by order, so I may choose A6 or I may choose A8. It's not the problem. But it would be better like if you follow the order, like considering the index. You could have done A8, not a problem.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now this isn't required. This is of the form A6 gives DA7. Correct. Now if how many values are there for A9? Only one?
One value.
Only one. So what you will write it as? So I will write it here only. Yeah. So in continuation. So A6 gives A9. A9 is what? A. A1, A7. Correct. So this is also done. So I will mark now. So the ones which are readily available with us. So this, this, and these are in GNF. Correct. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the ones which are worked out, I will mark it this way. We are done with this. So let us pick next one. So as Rutuja suggested, let us pick A8. Sorry, A8 gives A3, A9. Correct? A8 gives A3, A9. So what is A3?
A.
How many values are there for A3?
1.
A10, A6. Na? So let us put it. So what you get? A8 gives A10, A6, A9. Correct? Correct? Yes. Is this
Yes,
fine?
sir. And
Sir, that
A10
is
is
A5.
Sorry, I made a mistake. Oh, this is A5. Where is A3 then? Haven't we written A3?
3 is A.
A3 gives A, no, only. Sorry. Thank you. A3 is having only one value, correct? So this would be what? You can directly put it there. So A8 gives A3 is what? A. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
This is also done. So we worked out with A8. Okay. Now remaining are pretty simple. Okay, can somebody take screenshot and add it there? Let me see if I can take. Yeah. Yes, I have taken it. I will share it. Can somebody take the screenshot? I'm not able to do that. I don't have a laptop now. So you add screenshot of that this part only and add it into Teams only. Chinmay, can you do it for me?
yes, sir. I'll do it.
Please. Thank you very much. So when you are done, add that in chat box. Somebody seems added. Yeah. Thank you, Samay. So shall we continue with next? Now we are done with A8. So now let's see, rest of them are only to be replaced by the respective values 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the remaining ones, and this one A5. So only this A9, A10, and A11 values to be added. Correct? So let me add it here. Okay, so let me pick one by one. So I will pick A1. So I will write 3. A1 use A9, A5. What is A9? What
1.
is A9? Huh?
1 value A.
A9 is having one value, it is A. So we get A1 use A, A5, correct? So this is done. So we are done with this A9, A5. Fine. Okay, next one, fourth. A2 gives A9, A8. Correct? What is A2? A9 is only one value, so it would be A8. Correct? So this is also done. Fine. Fifth. A2 is done, so this is done. So A4. A4 gives A9, A1. What is it? A4 gives A8. Correct? So we get this is also done. So A4 also is done. Fine.
Sir, A4 gives A1, na?
Sorry. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. So sixth, A5 gives A10, A6. What is A10?
B.
A6. Correct. So this is also done. Now what is remaining? What is remaining? Only
A7.
this one is remaining. A7. Correct. Last one. So A7 gives A11, A2. So A7 gives, what is that?
DA2.
DA2. Correct. So this is also done. So now all productions are converted. Fine. All productions are converted. So now this would be your final solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 sets would be the equivalent GNF. Fine. So trick here is what? If you don't have any null production or unit production, then it is very easy. Only convert it to CNF and then get the solution. But only like you must have seen, I missed here. I wrote 8. So like you have to be very much conscious about what exactly you are writing. Fine. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Chinmay, you can take this full screenshot and add it as solution. Samay, Chinmay, whoever can do that. So when done, let me know so that I can take one more example. I have added, by the way, method in respect of this too, like how exactly this GNF conversion is. So you can see on Moodle. Okay, there is a PDF also added. I have added one example of CNF, and I have also added solved problem for GNF2. Okay, so you can see that one more additional problem apart from this. Yeah. So now let me take last example for JNF. So do you want me to take some example where null production is there? Yes.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Okay. So let me take that. Okay. So I have these productions. I can see that there are two null productions available. And I have to now create first equivalent CNF. Okay, can you see null productions? How many null productions are there? So first of all, you have to construct nullable variables. So let us add nullable variables. So W0 equal to, now see which of them are giving you null. So A is giving you null, B is giving you null. W1 equal to W0. Now try to see that whether A and B alone are appearing to any of the production here. So it is not, correct? A and B together is not appearing only without any terminal. They are not occurring because they are occurring with terminal. So S cannot be nullable. That's why this remains phi. Correct. So you get nullable variables to be W equal to A and B. Now, as epsilon is not in as part of LG, so we may not have to worry about introducing S1. So we can write now without null productions the new production set. Let me write P dash. So I will start with S. I will write B. Now, as both of them are null, so I can write A. I can write AA. I can write AB. I can write AAB. Is that fine? So I put both of them null, so I got A. If I put B as null, I got AA. If I put A as null, I get B. If I don't put either of them as null, I get AAB. Fine. Okay. Sanjot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are done with yes. So let us talk about A. So A also is nullable. B is also nullable. So you are getting A gives D. If I put B as null, correct? Then I get BD. Then A is null. So I get A, AA, D. So I don't write epsilon now. Fine. Now let me talk about B productions. B, B. So as already B is there, so no need to write again and one more B because it is a set. And lastly, C gives A. Correct. Now there is only one unit production that can be seen. Can you see one unit production? Which is that?
D gives
A
A.
gives
A gives D. A gives D. चिन्मय तू कोणता म्हणत होतास?
I was saying D gives A because A is a terminal and that is
No,
what I
no,
thought.
no. We are talking about unit production. Unit production is this variable giving you variable.
So, sorry,
Okay.
sir, just to confirm, a unit production is a production which has only one non-terminal on the right side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Both sides rather we should say. Only one non-terminal at both sides. Okay. So this terminal may not be, sorry, the non-terminal may not be same. They may be different. So one variable giving you one variable, or one non-terminal giving you one non-terminal. Fine. Now we have to construct what? Remove chain rule. So unit production wala apply karna padega. So you have to calculate W0 of S. So there is no unit production. So W of S would be S. W of A would be A, comma D. Correct? बराबर है? Whenever you compute W of each variable, that variable itself is added. And if you have unit production, then you keep adding that. So there is no other unit production involved. So this would be ending. So W of B. So this should be W of S. What is W of B? There is no unit production for B. So B. W of D. D. Correct? So we are done. So let us write P double dash now. S gives B, S gives A, A, AB, AAB. A gives D hai, so we can directly write A gives A, but already it is there, right? A gives A already there, so no need to write again A gives A. So you can directly delete this. So A, B, D, A, and B. B gives B, B, and D gives A. Done. Now you have removed unit production 2. Now we have to write this into CNF. So convert this to CNF. So you get P triple dash. So I will directly write it. S gives B, S gives A, S gives CAA, CAB, CAC1. C1 gives AB. Correct? Okay. A, PD, CAA, B. B gives B, CBB, D gives A, CA gives A, CB gives B. Fine. Is this in CNF properly? Yes, please. Is this in CNF now?
Yes, sir.
Because we are having only one terminal or two non-terminals. So let us write the variables now. So you have S, A, B, D, C1, CA, CB. Correct? These are the only variables that you have there. Fine? Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have to rename them. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. Correct? Fine. Chinmay, please take screenshot of this. Or Samay, anybody can do that. Add the screenshot so that this is in CNF and we got now converted it to we have to convert it to now GNF. Okay, when you are done with screenshot, let me know so that I can move next. Yeah, thank you. So now I have to rewrite these productions using these names. Okay. So let us write it. So A1 gives, tell me now yes productions. A1 gives B, correct? Then A1 gives A, A1 gives CAA. So it is A6, A2. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then next one is CAB. What would be? A6, A3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, A6, A5. Correct? C1 है ना? So A6,
Yes, sir.
C1, A5. So we are having now all A1 productions written. Now C1, that means A5. A5 gives AB, that means what? A2, A3. Correct? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now A, so A2 productions. A2 productions A, PD, A3, A4. Then CAA, so A6, A2. And then B. Correct? A is done, so A2 is done. Now A3 is B. CBB, so A7, A3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
D gives A. A4 gives A. CA gives A. A6 gives A. CB gives B. A7 gives B. Now which one should we pick for now? Where can you see that left index is greater than right index? So it is only A5. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So let us start with A5. A5 gives A2, A3. So this should be rewritten as, now tell us what would be productions. Golar, tell me productions for A5 now. How many productions would be there? Golar, can you hear? Golap? Golap?
One production.
1. A5 gives A2, A3. So you have to put A2. How many productions it will result to? How many A2 productions are?
4.
Let us write that. A3, sorry. A5 gives A3. Correct. I am putting A here. Then A3, A4, A3. Then A6, A2, A3. Then BA3. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
which one should be picked? So like let me mark it now. So this is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. These are done. Correct? And we also have resolved A5. So we marked it. Now, which should be picked first? See again, left side is greater than right side.
A5 gives A3, A4, A3.
A3, A4, A3. How many values are there for A3?
Two values.
Two values. Okay. What are they? A3 gives B and A3 gives A7, A3. So you put
A7,
C. So A3 gives B. So B, A4, A3. Then A7, A3, A4, A3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is also done. Now there is no remaining ones. So we will write A5 production directly first. Correct? Because now we have to only replace the values here and here. So we worked out with these two. So this is done. Correct? Fine. Now let us write all A5 productions together. A5 gives. Let us start from right initial thing. So A3, BA3. I am taking that marked one first. B, A4, A3. Fine. Okay. So these three are done. So do we have any A5 productions? No. So these two are to be written now. What is A6? What is A6?
Six is A.
A6 A. So let us write it. So what it would be? A, A2, A3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is done. Now I have to put A7. What is A7?
A7 is B.
B, na? So B, A3, A4, A3. Fine. So this is our final for A5. Correct? So we are worked out with this one too. So A5 is done. So we already marked this. Now what is remaining? Let us talk about now. Let us pick each one of them together. Let us start with A2. Okay, or because A6, A7 is already written. So I will mark them. So these all are done. Rest I cannot mark in a bracket, a square, or maybe a rectangle, whatever. So I will write them later, or you can write it here as well. Okay. So to bring them together. So we will write this one by one. Let us pick A3, A2, A2 first, or A3 first, because anyway you would be requiring A3. Let us pick A3. So A3 gives A7, A3. I will pick that one first. So this will result to first original production. A3 gives B. What is the A7 value? What is the A7 value? I am talking about this one now.
B.
So this is done. This is done. So we can write B A3. Correct? So A3 is also done. Fine. Now let us pick A2. A2 gives A3 A4. Okay, I will write directly A. Okay. Then B. Then A3 A4. A3 क्या है? ये दोनों values है. So we'll put it as B A4, B A3 A4. Is that fine? See what I did? I replaced this A3 by two values. So I got this. So B A4, B A3 A4. Correct? Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we worked with this also. This is done. This is done. Now this one A6 A2. What is A6?
A.
A. So I will write A2. So A2 productions are also done. Correct. So let us mark it. Correct? Now, what are remaining things? So I will write it here. What is remaining? A2 is also done. A3 is also done. So we already marked A4, A6, A7. A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 is done. Only remaining is A1. Correct? Fine. So let us write A1. So I will write A1 here. So A1 gives BA. Correct. Now let us put A6. What is A6?
A.
A. So it would be what? A2. Correct? A1 gives A6, A3. So A3. A6, A5. So A5. So I work with each one of them. So this also done, this also done, this also done. And this would be my now final solution. Each one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one is in now GNF. Correct? Do you think anything we missed here? Have we considered all?
Yes, sir. All done.
Yeah. So this is how rather you get GNF for the CNF part. So let's see like if we can take it together screenshot. So Chinmay, now it would be easy for you to take a complete screenshot.
Yes, taken, sir. I'll upload.
Yeah, thank you. So like this is how rather you can come up with a GNF. Fine. So shall I give you some problems to solve? Like if you recall, we talked about CNF conversion. Right. So what I will do is I am going to add some problems which are to be done by you by say 10th of Jan. Okay. There would be assignments for you. It would be talking about like you already constructed say the regular expression part. Na? So I will give you few problems where you have to construct regular expressions using Arden theorem. The problem statement. Okay. One problem each would be there for you peoples. Then there would be CNF, there would be GNF, there would be reduced grammar. So I will give you some homework point of view, some problems. You have to solve them. You have to create a PDF, add that PDF there only. Make sure that PDF size should not go beyond 200 MB. Fine. Okay. So
Yes.
we are done with this GNF part. So now next session on Monday would be talking mainly about push down automata. Okay, we will try to finish it, finish most of the things in that period. Okay, I will add